Hello guys, welcome to Crafting with Evie. I just got this in the mail, my very first art box. So excited. I just had to show you. I'm just taking a video of it. It's the one in the sketchbox. And you got pretty nice art on the top. This is who created it. If you want to see him, Denise. So that's pretty cool. I actually want to draw a toucan. That was funny. So open it up. I'm using only one hand. So what you get in the box is this is the art. Each box comes with the art piece, which is kind of cool. And then right here, who they are, how to follow them. And it's Nicole Shaver. So that's pretty cool. And when I looked at this, I was thinking ink, but I wasn't sure. So let's take a look. Here is all the supplies, but we'll keep going through. So you got some watercolor paper. This is a cold press. It says cold press 4x6 cold press water paper. Value price $7.61. Fluid is a heavyweight paper that can withstand heavy washes. Ink lifts more easy from this surface than when tree-based paper. So you have more control. So that's pretty cool. This you get about 15 sheets in that. So that's pretty neat. A little small. And it's 104 pounds, 300 GSMs. Okay, let's see what else is in this. Oh, look, guys, ink. This is walnut drawn ink. That's pretty cool. And I'm looking for the fluid ounces, 16 milliliter. So that one, I'm looking for my, and it says, this month is all about walnut ink. So that's kind of cool. I can use that towards Inktober. This is the first time shipping walnut ink, and we wouldn't be more excited about it. While the world walnut might imply that it contains actual walnuts due to the acidity, it is negative effects on the ability not fade over time. Art is gray, pigment, not walnuts. It's just the color. It is both light, fast, acid-free. Due to some COVID-19 related to supplies issues, you may notice different shape bottles pictured here. So that's what shape we're supposed to get, but that's okay. I actually like that better. So we got that. Next, we got artist pencils. Looks like in a white, brown, and black. And looks like black chalk medium. I'm kind of reading it through my phone. Oh, that's kind of cool. White and white chalk. So these are actually chalk pencils. That's kind of neat. Let's see how much they retail for. So $7.75. Next in the box, we have some Faber-Castell fine liners, all in black. Looks like we got the S, F, M, and B size. So that's actually pretty cool. Never had them in brown. Looks like there's a brush nib here. That's kind of cool. I like that. Let's continue. Oh my god. I got a Copic. That is pretty cool. Copic Chow in brown, which is E25. And let's see. Copic Chows retail for $5.49. And this is actually a staff favorite. It's Caribbean Cocoa. There's a brush nib on one side and a chisel nib on the other, and it is chosen to go with the walnut ink, which is kind of cool. Next in the box, we've got a Tombow Mono drawing pen and maybe 0.05 maybe. Let's see, that retails for $2.89. Depends on fine liners from one or another favorite brand for outlining your walnut ink illustration this month. Oh, I can't wait to dive in. I'm going to dive into this box tomorrow when I'm not working so much. Then we got a silver white round brush in 4. It's kind of cute. Nice brush. And that one retails for $6.40. Well, I'm getting my money's worth in this box. And every sketchbox comes with a sticker. So this is this month's sticker. So I'm just wanted to share with you. I am going to make something with all this supplies tomorrow. That gives me a chance to figure out something and figure it out and actually draw something. I like the art that comes in it. I'm going to keep these. But just got to share with you. So, yeah, I got pretty good money's worth out of this box. Copic. My first Copic Chow marker. Yay. Well, that's my video for now. If you're watching this on Facebook, give it a thumbs up. And I will show the video for tomorrow. And then if you are watching this on YouTube, give it a thumbs up. And if you like this content and you want to see more, you can hit the subscribe button, hit that bell icon, and I will show you more. And thank you, Sketchbox, for sending me my box, which I paid for, not endorsed. But it's actually pretty cool. I might chop up this to keep the art too. I might. Alright, have a nice night, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye!